Tired of those generic signature fields in DocuSign? Let's transform them from blah to brilliant in just a minute and a half. Alright, first things first, log into your DocuSign account and navigate to the Manage tab. This is where the magic happens. Find the document you want to customize, click on it to open it, make sure it's the draft stage, as you cannot edit a document once it's been completed. Now, select Edit from the drop-down. This will bring you into the editing screen where you can adjust your signature fields. See that signature field? Click on it. This reveals the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Get ready to unleash your inner designer. In the Properties panel, you can adjust the font type, size, and even the color of the signer's name and date. Experiment with different looks to match your brand. To change the size of the signature field, simply click and drag the little handles at the corners and sides. Make it bigger for longer names, or smaller for a more compact look. Hop over to the Data Field tab. Here, you can add validation rules, require specific formats, or even pre-populate fields with default values. This is especially handy for collecting consistent data. For example, you can add a validation rule to ensure that email addresses are entered in the correct format. Click Add Rule and choose your desired validation type. Once you're happy with your changes, hit the Save button in the upper right corner to apply them to your document. Remember, customization is key to a professional and user-friendly signing experience.